Shall we begin?
Hello and welcome to my 1 to 700 blacksmithing guide. In this guide I'll show you how to level up blacksmithing as inexpensively as possible and in under 5 minutes. To do this you will need at least 4,385 ore, 165 of which must be true iron ore. I recommend, if you're planning to stay blacksmith for the long haul, to use more of the black rock ore than the true iron, which will all make sense later. In the meantime, you can buy these off the auction house or farm them. Nim, where's the auction house?
Auction house here.
You will also need a gnomish army knife, which will replace the blacksmith's hammer. The blacksmithing skill, which can be learned from any blacksmithing trainer.
Hey there. Have a good one.
Speak to the trainer, grab the skill. Talk to the vendor here, and from this guy you're going to want to buy the Draenor scroll that boosts your skill capacity up to 700. Buy it here in Ashran from the Garrison skill vendor, or looted from any Draenor mob. It'll cost you anywhere from 90 to 100 gold, but I recommend coming to Ashran for everything because it's all conveniently here.
See you soon.
So now we're going to learn this boost to 700. Okay, now we're ready to begin crafting. Before we do that, as you can see, we have all these nice new skills. Depending on what you have for materials will determine which of the three you will make. Since I came with a rough 50-50 split, I am going to be doing the breastplate. You're going to need 65 of them to hit 651. And let us begin. I create a Secret of Draenor now. Okay, so we crafted a Secrets of Draenor blacksmithing. It procced us up to 652 skill. We are now going to buy the True Steel grinder. Not the reshaper, the grinder. Because that one is the cheaper of the two to make.
Off with you.
Learn the grinder here. Now we're going to craft 16 of them. If the Secrets of Draenor does not proc 652 on you, you're going to have to make a 17th grinder. Congratulations on 700 and in under 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Catch you next video.